uni has shaped a lot of my personality. You do make your own little family here. You meet the people that you love. You learn and you grow, and you learn to be independent and overcome challenges and grow up really.
USW courses, I think, they offer a lot of practical learning, so there's a lot of encouragement to apply real-world case studies to reports that you're doing, which really challenges the way that you think, and it makes you think in like a practical way that will help you a lot more in the work experience. You know, you're already applying these concepts that you're learning to something real and tangible. The degree offers you the opportunity to try things out, see what you're good at, and figure out ways of applying different thought processes to different fields. It feels like you're doing work that means something.
The assignments were never just, oh, you read this article and you articulate this article.
Yeah.
It was about, you find a business that does this principle and then you apply it to something of your own. I cannot be one person who just reads a book in a corner and is okay with the academic knowledge part of it. I like to see how it works in a practical environment. That's why I applied to USW.
My experience at USW really made me someone that can be resilient and push through those challenges, and I changed a lot and I learned a lot about myself, because at the end of it I ended up finding something that I really do love and want to make a career from.